do a little remote start here. All right, let's go. What is up, you guys? It's your boy Jeff back in here again, and I am back with another video. But tonight I'm going to be trying the new barbecue bacon burger from McDonald's because one of my cousins said it was really good. So yeah, we're going to try this thing and see how it tastes. As y'all can see in the first clip, my car's all cleaned up, ready for anything that goes down. So yeah, anyways, I will see y'all in the next clip. Wow guys, that new barbecue bacon sandwich must be that good, because I went to 2 McDonald's and they was out of it. I'm at my 3rd location and they finally have it here. So yeah, we're gonna see what this is all about. It's almost like Popeye's chicken sandwich. They're out of it at the locations. I'm surprised I got it here. I thought I was gonna have to go to the 4th location. Anyways, yeah guys, I will be back after I get the sandwich. Alright guys, we are back and we got the sandwich. The lady at the drive-thru window even said it was really good. So yeah, let's take a look at this thing. Now you guys are gonna see a chunk missing. That is because my mom cut a piece because she wanted to try it. Anyways, yeah, there's a onion straw. Bacon. And there is the burger. Wow, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that good enough. Well, there's 2 lights on. There it is. Anyways, let's see what the hype is all about. Because like I said in the last clip, 2 McDonald's locations was out of it. So yeah, here we go. Wow, guys. I must say, that is a really, really, really good burger. I got light barbecue sauce. But you can still taste the barbecue sauce, you know? Wow. This sandwich is awesome, even with the barbecue sauce. And I don't like barbecue sauce. But this is a really, really, really good sandwich, like I said. No wonder why the McDonald's locations are out of it. I think I'd excuse me. I think I'd definitely go back again and get another one. Possibly the double. My cousin told me to get the double, but I said, I'll just get the single for now because I ate earlier. Let's see, what did I eat earlier? I can't remember. I think it was McDonald's. A double cheeseburger. But yeah, I would definitely go back and get this sandwich. And I'd probably rate it a 10. Because it is good, like I said. Really, really good. Should you guys try it? I say yes. If you like bacon and onion strings and barbecue sauce. Because this is like a really, really, really good sandwich. I know I keep saying that, but it is a really, really good sandwich. Man, guys. $100. Let me take my belt off here so I can try and find this straw. I can't find it. So I'm just gonna have to drink it out of the cup like this. Ain't nothing like ice cold soda. Anyways, that's my review on the barbecue bacon sandwich from McDonald's. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment and let me know what you guys thought of it if you tried it. And of course, make sure and subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so you don't miss none of my new videos. I'm out, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.